Have a good morning and healthy life. This is Priyanshu belonging to class 7 section B roll 25 of Stewart School, Cuttack. Today I feel responsible enough to vent my views regarding the pernicious novel coronavirus. Never before such virus had been seen nor been felt by anyone. Everyone assumes that the doomsday of the world is falling upon as a hectic burden which doesn't make you part with the disease. And the entanglements are subjected to be alleviated by mainly three measures. Point number 1. The generic persons and Samaritans have to maintain up social distancing and teaching it as well. Point number 2. The police, moreover the law and order, have to put in feasible elements and hold them under control to confine them in quarantine. Point number 3. This seems to be inevitable and indispensable for the doctors to be alert round the clock and to solve the victim's heart and soul. I am here today to tell you about the newly emerged deadly virus named COVID-19 or coronavirus. What is coronavirus? It is a virus which is hunting all of us. Coronaviruses are not familiar and they are found in animals as well as humans. Some of them are known to infect people in causing illness such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome as in MERS, also known as MERS, in Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome known as SARS, also known as SARS. Novel coronavirus or COVID-19 is a disease and is a new strain coronavirus which was first detected in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The COVID-19, also known as coronavirus. Here, CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, D stands for disease and 19 stands for 2019. The virus that causes COVID-19 is spreading in some of our communities. This virus, also known as COVID-19, is part to spread from person to person when an infected person coughs or sneezes. These droplets can spread through mouth, hands or nose and possibly inhale into the lungs. Take steps to lower your risks. Here are some steps to reduce the transmission to reduce COVID-19 virus. The steps are: step number 1. Wash your hands often for 20 seconds with soap and water or use hand at least which contains 60% of alcohol. Step 2. Take extra measures between yourself and others. Step 3. Avoid close contact with sick people. Step 4. Stay home if you are sick. Step 5. Accepting in medical care. If severe symptoms arises, we should call 104 or 108. Step 6. Only wear a face mask if you are sick or caring for someone who is sick. Step 6. Clean and disinfect the frequently touched surfaces. Over and all, the people who have severe chronic diseases like diabetes, heart, blood pressure and lung disease have higher risk of having COVID-19. Those people should consult with doctors or if severe symptoms arises between them. Dear friends, this deadly virus has affected 212 countries of the world. This pandemic outbreak has sabotaged the countries like China, Iran, Spain, Germany, USA, Switzerland, South Korea, France and UK have a very high mortality rate. Now I am going to tell you that how India is fighting against coronavirus. Our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodaras Modi has implemented one-day Janta curfew which was quite successful. He then told us that there is no vaccine which can stop the coronavirus spreading. The only method, what the experts are saying, is that to maintain social distancing to combat corona. which means is to remain apart from one another and stay confined in our homes. If we have to stop the spread of corona, we have to break the cycle of infection. Social distancing is mandatory for everyone. If we disobey the social distancing, it is impossible to fathom the cost that India may have to pay. Learning from the experience of health experts, India has imposed the entire country to go under a complete lockdown. This lockdown has saved us where we stand today. Otherwise, things would have gone to very worse. As we are seeing, the superpower America has been massacred. So my advice to all of you is to stay home and be safe. I salute to the corona warriors like doctors, police, paramedical staffs and each and every one who are continuously 24/7 fighting in the front line to save our lives. I am very grateful to my honorable principal and teachers and the entire staff and crew of Stewart School who have given me the opportunity to share my views. Thank you, Stewart School, very much.